open PicsArt. Now tap on this plus icon. Now select the first option, edit a photo, and select the background link in the description. And this is the background, I already created it. The first step, scroll it up, tap on add photo, select add photo and select buildings PNG. Friends, this is the buildings PNG. Simply stretch it and keep it perfectly here. Now decrease the opacity and keep it around 70, or you can keep it around 60. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, go to add photo and select the 2022 PNG and standing pose model image. This is the standing pose model image. Scroll up, tap on this cutout tool. Now select this brush option and increase the hardness to 100 and decrease the size, and you have to draw only on model image. Okay, this is a tutorial, so I am going to do it fast, but when you are doing this photo editing, only try to draw on the model. Okay, don't draw on the background, or else if it is very difficult to you, you can use photo room application to erase the background, or use any other apps to erase the background. Okay, you have to draw only on model image. Now tap on tick mark. Look like after erasing background, simply stretch it and arrange perfectly in the center. You can see center like this. Now tap on screen and you will get this option, add photo, select the 2022 PNG. These are the PNG, stretch it and arrange 20 PNG here and select this 2022 and arrange it in this portion here. The PNGs are little blur, okay, there is no quality, but try to adjust and arrange your model in the center perfectly. You can see it is perfect. Now what you have to do is go to add photo and select this shadow PNG. By using this circle, squeeze it and stretch it and keep it under this. Okay, you can see here, perfect. Now decrease the little opacity, which is perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, go to add photo and select the helicopter PNG and happy new year PNG. Go to add photo. Friends, these are the PNGs. Arrange this helicopter in this portion and this helicopter in this portion. Little up, little down. Perfect. Now keep this happy new year in the center. Perfect. And you have to tap on this shadow. Tap on this position and as usually keep it 100. Keep it 100. It is perfect. Now have to tap on tick mark. And next you have to go to tools. Tap on adjust. Now decrease little brightness, give little contrast, remember the settings, increase little clarity, increase little saturation, decrease little highlights, decrease little shadow. Now tap on tick. In the next step, go to FX, select the FX again and scroll it to the left, and you have to tap the vignette and bring this to 100 and fade it to around 80 or 90, okay, to give the realistic look. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Friends, finally our special 2022 photo in tutorial is completed, but it's little blur. Okay, there is no quality, and this is the before and this is the final output. When you're doing this tutorial, try to take the nice pic. Okay, tap on save. See you next video with new special concept photo editing tutorial.